Hey there, welcome back to iOSP YouTube channel, and in this video I have installed OxygenOS based on Android 11 on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. So what's special about it and how does it perform? Let's find out. So this is my Redmi Note 5 Pro and it has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and I have installed OxygenOS based on Android 11 on it. So let me show you the Easter egg, then I will show you how does it perform. To be honest, I am using this ROM for almost 2 days and it does not lag at all. The battery backup seems perfect as well. The built-in camera is OxygenOS camera and it performs very well. The picture quality looks awesome. To talk about bugs, I've only found one, which is brightness bug. It takes time to adjust the brightness but it works. Dark mode and other display features works perfectly as well. There are so many customizations as well, for example the icon size, the accent color, the icon shapes and all. This ROM literally has zero bugs. For example, both fingerprint and face unlock works perfectly. Let me set up my face and as you can see it unlocks perfectly fine. Now let's test the performance of the ROM by playing a 1440p video on YouTube. I'm playing the Costa Rica video and you can see the display quality as well as the performance of the ROM. It does not lag going backward or forward in 1440p. The QS panel is nostalgic and looks very good. The battery backup is fine as well, as I have said earlier. And you need to do repartition to install this ROM, so the storage is less, but it is fine. Both app lock and app hide features works here perfectly fine. And as you can see, I have locked Chrome and it asks for password to unlock. Now this is the app hide gesture and you can hide apps here. This is a non-debloated ROM, so it has so many OxygenOS apps and they work perfectly fine. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this.